of course we have produced.
Minister wa Ugiteri Fred Matiang'i ni ehitite ati thirikari ndikurekereria gacunje ona kanini ka bururi kuri itoi cia Al-Shabab.
The CS has confirmed and confirmed.
Akiari igongona-ini ria gucokia ngatho ria Ukur Yatani uria wamuirwo ni president ta minister wa kigina, Matiang'i ni ongerire thirikari ndiragwagwa haro-ini ya Al-Shabab.
We will not surrender 1 inch of our country to end rogues, and we have new systems of deployment. I have been discussing even as late as last week with Senator Yusuf Haji on some of the campaigns we are going to work on the ground, and I can see from the reports we are getting that we are gaining ground and we are actually succeeding.
Uge wa Matiang'i ukite thutha wa kamite ya wandikani wa arutani TSC guthamia makiria ma arutani 3,000 kuma mwena wa North Eastern ni undu wa tharikira ire ikoretwo kuo kuragwo kwa arutani mahinda kwa mahinda. Guthamia kwa arutani aria kihumo kiao ti mwena wa North Eastern ni gukirirwo ni atongoria a mwena uyu makiuga thirikari ni ironania kuingiria guaya ona guthutukania andu a mwena uyu.
The parents and the communities of Northern Kenya have been disadvantaged because of something that is beyond their control. Today, as I stand here, my constituency, which is over 300-400 kilometers away from the Kenya-Somali border, all the schools are closed simply because of our perception.
Tutakuwa tumesarenda kwa Al-Shabab kama walimu hapana rudishwa haraka uwezekanavyo.
We will bring our colleagues from the TSC so that we come to a solution on this matter. It's an issue we need to resolve together, and I will not, personally I want to request that let us not argue a little bit about this. We will find a solution.
Senator wa Garissa Yusuf Haji ni ehitite kuoya mushinga ona ena miaka makiria ma 80 kung'ethania na itoi cia Al-Shabab iria ikoretwo igitabania tharikira mwena uyu koguo kuhotomia mihang'o mingi na uthii wa na mbere.
Mimi niko 8 years old. Niko tayari nikipewa bunduki kuenda kupigana na Al-Shabab pahali wapo. Tupewe bunduki sisi.
Gavana wa Mandera Ali Roba na aruna ake Ali Korane wa Garissa na Mohamed Kuti wa Isiolo ni mokeire murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani TSC Nancy Macharia makiuga ni arathitũkania andu a gicigo giki ni guthamia arutani.
We will tell our governors to break all the laws and employ teachers so that we'll be able to be self-sufficient. But we should not reach there, Bana CS. We should not reach there. This country belongs to all of us. Let us make sure that our children are like children in any part of this country. Take it seriously. It's a national security issue.
Atongoria a ni maugite ni maranyita mbaru riboti ya BBI makiuga ni irahota kunyitithania a Kenya na kuhingurira mirango nduriri ingi gukorwo ikiyukia wathani wa bururi ngathe itiganite thirikari-ini. Ngeripotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.